Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tia Salma Amanda, and today I will give a presentation about my research paper. The title is Students' Attitude as Consumers and Fans of BTS as a Brand Ambassadors. From the introduction is the Korean wave or Hallyu wave in recent years has shown its existence in almost all parts of the world through K-pop drama, variety shows. South Korea has succeeded in introducing its culture globally. The increasing influence of the Korean wave makes many companies decide to attract actors and actresses by making them brand ambassadors or influencers who are expected to influence purchasing decisions so as to increase sales. According to Suhadi 2020, some e-commerce companies in Indonesia use the Korean wave to increase revenue like Tokopedia, Shopee, Lazada, and Scarlet are just a few examples. Based on the previous research conducted by Ramadhani and Anggarini 2017, the results of the study found that brand ambassador had a positive but not significant effect on purchasing decisions. Because the better the brand ambassador image, the purchasing decisions of consumers and fans will also increase. However, the results of the study are contradictory to research conducted by Sadia and Situmorang 2018 and Sriyanto and Kunchoro 2019, which state that brand ambassadors have a positive and significant effect on purchasing decisions. So this research purpose is to analyzing students' attitudes as consumers and fans of BTS as a brand ambassadors. On the literature review, BTS contributions, according to William 2021, BTS as one of Tokopedia's brand ambassadors. William said that more than 100 million Indonesians visit the Tokopedia platform every month. This is the data for third quarter in 2021. The Tokopedia still become a number one because BTS still being their brand ambassadors. And also BTS give a contribution 1.7% of the total exports of Korean consumer goods, which were 65.3 billion in 2017. BTS is one of the boy groups that has a tremendous impact in terms of endorsement or collaborations. The second is fans' behavior. The fan studies focus on the social and psychological elements of a group of fans' behavior, as well as the passionate engagement and ownership of items. According to Duvet 2013, fans are the most loyal and likely to buy tie-in items by psychologically making them a perfect target for viral product marketing. And for brand ambassador, it's according to Leah Greenwood 2012 and Gita and Setiorini 2016, is the meaning of brand ambassador is almost same. The conclusion is a brand ambassador is someone who is given responsibility by the company and is expected to play a major role in the company's brand and marketing. And the fourth is brand ambassador factors. According to Insagia 2018, the factors is credibility, celebrity conformity with society, celebrity conformity with a brand, and celebrity attractiveness, among other considerations. And the purchase intentions is defined as the possibility that consumer will buy certain products. According to Wang 2014, the following indicators are generated to measure purchase intention as purchase in this product, having more information and interested in endorsed brand. And the research method for my paper is I use the phenomenological approach was chosen on the basis on the current market situation. Many companies from various countries use BTS as their product brand ambassadors or even just to collaborate. And the product name became very popular among both ARMY, as BTS fans are called, and non-ARMY. The survey method that I use is quantitative research. It is to obtain data through questionnaires, interview, and so on. Even though using a questionnaire technique, The researchers still ask for reasons and opinions on the answer choices for the analysis material. The data collection used a questionnaire technique with 34 respondent students all around Indonesia who are all BTS fans and have purchased or used product BTS, where BTS became brand ambassadors or collaborated with brand and consumer on Facebook. It is the results and discussion. First, it is about the result of information about each of the respondents. From the data obtained, most of the forms were filled out by students aged 20 to 25 years old, as many as 70 people. And the second was 16 to 19 years old, as many as 14 people. 3 people were over 25 years old, and the data shows that almost all of the respondents were adults. This is the results of information regarding BTS fans' perspective as fans and consumers see BTS as a brand ambassadors. First, it is the statement about BTS has an attractive disposition in advertising a product or service will show how attractive BTS is to become a brand ambassador in the eyes of its fans. From the data above, it can be seen that respondents strongly agree BTS having an attractive disposition when advertising a product or service by 85.3% say strongly agree, agreeing by 11.8% and neutral by 2.9%. These results support the statement from seen in Sagia 2018 that the factors in choosing a brand ambassador are seen from several aspects. And the next is the obtained from the statement regarding product advertised or used by BTS because interest and desire to buy. BTS prove that BTS effect does exist and it is true. From this data, it can be seen that when BTS becomes the brand ambassador of a product, it will gain fan interest in buying the item as much as 55.9% strongly agree and 29.4% said agree and 14.7% are neutral. This data support the statement from Duvet 2013 and also the post of Tokopedia William in 2021 said that more than 100 million Indonesians visit the Tokopedia platform every month. And then the statement regarding promotional offers in the form of bonus photo cards or poster with pictures of BTS members made me consider buying these products, showing the result of fans' willingness to buy this product because they get free gift. In the picture, it can be said that 52.9% strongly agree, 32.4% agree neutral and disagree, 5.9% and 2.9% strongly disagree. It can be concluded that the offer of free gift in the form of photo card or poster can influence fans' buying decisions. And the statement, I will look for information about the quality of the product before buying it, even though the bonus that the brands give is a product or poster of BTS members. Explain that fans do not only think about the free gift they will get, but also quality of the product that BTS advertise. In the picture, it can be seen that 44.1% strongly agree, 35.3% said agree, and 17.6% are neutral. And the rest is strongly disagree. It can be concluded that most of the respondents, around 44.1% or 15 out of 34 respondents, will seek the information first before buying it. These results support the explanation of one. 2014 that the consumer decide to buy a product as a higher probability even though the customer does not necessarily buy it. And the next is the statement, my decisions to buy the product depends on how useful the product is for me and not affected by BTS being a brand ambassador. Explain that fans are also still thinking about how useful the product is for them before deciding to buy it. In the data, 15% stated that they strongly agree, 32.4% were neutral, 11.8% agreed, and the rest strongly disagree. It can be concluded that about 50% of the respondents or 70 of the 24 respondents said that they will buy the product depending on how useful it is. But it is also possible that fans will not think about how useful the items for them, as in from around 32.4% or 11 people from 34 respondents state neutrally. And the next is another reasons that respondents get regarding their purchasing decision as fans and consumer, where when BTS became brand ambassador, most of the respondents answered that they felt they had responsibility as fans to always support BTS. And it is a matter of pride to buy goods advertised by BTS, and also the fans felt that the goods were limited edition and packaging. And rather than regret not buying, it is better to regret after buying. And the most important, it is also price is also important to fans to decide them to buy or not buy the product. In this, as someone who has been chosen as the brand ambassador of a product, the brand has an expectation that the chosen person can meet their expectation in terms of increasing exposure and income. Here, BTS as a brand ambassador has an interesting delivery in advertising a product because BTS has a pretty big name, and the fans who support them also make the product they advertise sell out in matter of seconds. But in this research, it is true that brand ambassadors have a positive but not significant effect on purchasing decisions. BTS has a big name, so consumer purchasing decisions also increased. This finding back up previous research that found a positive but not statistically significant effect of brand ambassador. There are many other factors besides brand ambassador by according Ramadhani Anggarini 2017. And the last is for conclusion. In this study, the behavior of students as fans and consumers when BTS becomes the brand ambassador of a product has a positive influence on the brand. Fans had an interest in buying the product when BTS advertised it. Offering free gifts such as photo card or a poster is also a consideration for fans when buying this product. This study also shows that the behavior of fans when making decisions to buy a product for which BTS is the brand ambassador is not only the factor in their purchasing decisions, because there are factors such as price and how useful that to them, and another factor is the information or testimonial about the quality of the goods. Further studies are encouraged to provide other information on student behavior in making decisions when their idols become brand ambassadors. For example, does idol behavior also influence fans' buying decisions, or whether fans' behavior and relationship in fandom also influence their buying decisions? These factors are possible in influencing the behavior of fans when making purchasing decisions. And that's all for my presentation for my research paper. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.